Looking to breathe easier and feel more comfortable at home? In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best humidifier air purifier options designed to improve air quality, add soothing moisture, and help create a healthier, fresher indoor environment for you. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. PuroAir 400 Air Purifier. If you're searching for a reliable way to dramatically improve your home's air quality, the PuroAir 400 Air Purifier is an excellent place to start. This powerhouse of a device is designed to deliver cleaner, fresher air in a matter of minutes, tackling airborne pollutants with impressive efficiency. It's capable of cleaning spaces up to 2,000 square feet within an hour, making it perfect for large living rooms, open-plan homes, and office areas. The PuroAir 400 uses a highly effective 3-layer filtration system that includes a pre-filter, a medical-grade HEPA filter, and an activated carbon filter. Together, these components trap up to 99.9% of airborne contaminants, such as dust, pollen, smoke, pet dander, and volatile organic compounds, VOCs. It's powerful enough to capture particles 700 times smaller than a human hair, which is no small feat. What sets this model apart is its science-backed design. It's been independently tested in ISO 17025 certified labs and holds certifications from CARB, ETL, ISO, and UL, giving users confidence in both its performance and safety standards. The smart air quality sensor continuously monitors your environment, automatically adjusting power levels when pollutants are detected. The PuroAir 400 is designed for around-the-clock use, and thanks to its ultra-quiet operation, you can leave it running in your bedroom without it disrupting your sleep. A dedicated sleep mode ensures even quieter performance when you need it most. Number 2. Dhyala Air Purifier. For those seeking a dual-function air purifier and humidifier in one sleek unit, the Dhyala Air Purifier is a standout contender. Engineered for large rooms and open living areas, this powerful device boasts a KDR of 265 CFM, making it capable of refreshing up to 1,732 square feet of space in just 1 hour. Its industrial-grade performance and expanded filtration surface ensure that dust, allergens, and airborne impurities are efficiently captured while enhancing indoor air quality. What truly makes the Dhyala exceptional is its built-in humidifier. Its advanced misting system gently disperses ultrafine water particles into the air, providing a refreshing balance of clean air and comforting humidity. With a 100 milliliter tank capacity, it automatically shuts down every 2 hours to save energy while maintaining optimal humidity levels in your space. Smart features also elevate this device above competitors. The Dhyala supports adjustable timing from 1 to 12 hours, far surpassing the usual 4 fixed settings found on most models. It integrates smoothly with smart apps and voice control, offering hands-free convenience to adjust settings and monitor air quality. Speaking of air quality, a high-precision PM2.5 display and built-in sensor continuously track indoor conditions, displaying real-time air quality feedback 24 hours a day. Customers love the intuitive controls and intelligent monitoring system, which automatically adjusts fan speed based on current air quality levels. The Dhyala air purifier's sleek, modern design complements contemporary interiors, making it suitable for bedrooms, offices, and living spaces alike. Quiet operation ensures it won't disturb your sleep or work, while its dual-purpose function saves valuable space in your home. Maintenance is simple, with easily accessible filters and a straightforward cleaning process. Number 3. Homedics Air Purifier. The Homedics Air Purifier is a well-rounded 2-in-1 appliance that enhances your home's air quality while also adding essential moisture to the air. Designed to both purify and humidify, this unit offers tangible health and comfort benefits, especially during dry seasons or allergy-heavy months. It works efficiently to reduce dryness, static shock, and airborne allergens, while simultaneously improving indoor humidity for better breathing, improved sleep, and healthier houseplants. This model uses 2 proven filtration technologies to eliminate airborne particles and reduce odors and volatile organic compounds, VOCs. The digital particle sensor is a highlight, providing color-coded indoor air quality results at a glance, while automatically adjusting the fan speed in response to real-time conditions. It's a smart, stylish addition to any room with an aesthetically pleasing tower design that complements both modern and traditional decors. Ideal for medium to large rooms, this air purifier effectively cleans the air in an 86 square foot space nearly 5 times per hour. Number 4. HomBreez Air Purifier. For a compact, feature-rich air treatment solution, the HomBreez Air Purifier is hard to beat. This 3-in-1 multifunction device purifies, humidifies, and even diffuses essential oils, making it an ideal all-in-one appliance for bedrooms, nurseries, or small living spaces. The HomBreez uses an H13 True HEPA filter renowned for capturing up to 99.97% of airborne particles, such as dust, pet dander, mold spores, and pollen, delivering fresh, clean air in any indoor environment. Complementing its air purification capabilities is a 400 milliliter water tank that emits a steady stream of cool mist, helping to maintain ideal humidity levels for improved comfort and respiratory health. Its coverage is well suited for small to medium-sized spaces up to 200 square feet, making it perfect for apartments, home offices, and bedrooms. The ultra-quiet operation ensures it won't disrupt your sleep or work, while the optional aromatherapy feature allows users to add a few drops of essential oil for a calming, therapeutic atmosphere. Number 5. Blueair Air Purifier. The Blueair Air Purifier is a top-tier option for anyone seeking dual-function air care technology. Combining Blueair's exclusive HEPA-silent filtration with 360-degree invisible mist humidification, this device purifies the air while maintaining optimal humidity, offering a complete indoor wellness solution. HEPA-silent technology captures airborne particles such as dust, allergens, bacteria, and VOCs, while the invisible mist feature disperses ultrafine water particles evenly throughout your space. One of the most notable conveniences is the premium LED display, which doubles as an easy-access water refill point. Users can quickly top off the unit without disassembling any parts or dealing with awkward water buckets. A powerful water pump recirculates water within the system, ensuring continuous humidification. An intelligent chip alerts users when water levels are low, preventing dry runs. Cleaning the unit is also easy thanks to a generously sized water tank opening that eliminates hard-to-reach spots. To prevent musty smells and stagnant water, the system's pump feeds fresh water to a 360-degree wick with an antimicrobial coating, while an automatic drying mode ventilates the wick when humidification isn't needed. Blueair's smart sensors monitor real-time air quality, adjusting fan and misting settings accordingly to maintain optimal conditions. This ensures you're breathing clean, balanced air around the clock. Customers consistently praise its powerful air cleaning performance and silent operation, making it ideal for bedrooms, nurseries, and home offices.